Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your Pravin Kumar and you're watching Shades of Pravin. For today's video, to draw an anime boy, we're gonna require a black pen and a pencil. So let's get started. I'm starting with the hair, making it pointed. That will give it a wholesome look. Here, I had drawn headphone in his head to give him a separate look. Now I'm going with the eyes. In my previous video where I drawn Super Saiyan Goku, I mentioned that eyes are a major attraction for any anime character. So we need to cover the eye part very carefully cause that's going to play a major role in his overall look. There are a lot of anime fans, especially in India and all over the world, so I took Anime Boy for today's video. If you want me to draw any other character, do let me know in the comment section. Now we just need to draw some lines in his hair and shirt and our job is done. There, our Anime Boy is ready now. That's a wrap up for today's video. Stay tuned for the next exciting shade of Shades of Pravin.